Well, you can see they're anxious to tear it down, so we better get started here. I have a few remarks I'd like to make, and then we'll offer a toast to the building, and then if you want to stick around and see some of the demolition, feel free. So, this is a wonderful occasion. It's kind of bittersweet for the college, but I appreciate everyone coming here. It's a great turnout, faculty, staff, students, alumni, trustees, maintenance guys that have been taking care of this building the last 40 years. In 1964, in almost this very spot, actually it was right up on these steps over here, both Scott Hall and Sanborn Hall were dedicated. And they were the first two buildings built on the Pitzer campus. In this house, almost 200 students. It was the largest residence hall in Claremont at the time. And here's how it was described to new students preparing to arrive in September of 1964. Sanborn Hall will house all Pitzer students this year. All rooms are double, with a bath between each pair of rooms. It is really quite a wonderful building. It has a large living room, recreation rooms with card tables and chairs, small rooms off the lobby for quiet visits or study, laundry rooms with coin-operated washers and dryers and ironing boards, space in the basement for trunk storage and for large wardrobe bags in which you may want to keep your formals. We don't have that space for our students today. It has a kitchenette for snacks, telephones in each wing, very sunny, bright rooms. All in all, a thoroughly livable place. It doesn't look very livable today, unfortunately. The hall was named after Flora Sanborn Pitzer, who was the first wife of the college's founder, Russell K. Pitzer. And although we are losing the original Sanborn Hall today, as we all know, we have a beautiful new gold-certified green building, Sanborn, to replace it. I mentioned it was bittersweet, and I know from talking to alums and even some faculty here at the college that there's a lot of memories created here in this building, some very special ones, as thousands of Pitzer students lived in Sanborn over the years, and many of them during their first year at college. And as we all know, these are the all-important years when the bonds and the connections are made with fellow students and with the college, and eventually with their alma mater. And change is progress, though, especially at Pitzer. We all know change here and innovation, that's what we're all about. And in the words of Mark Twain, I had to throw in a Twain quote here, Laura's not the only one. Change is the handmaiden nature requires to do her miracles with. Now, I'm not sure bringing in a wrecking crew is actually natural, but it is change nonetheless. And so today we recognize and celebrate the end of a building that has meant so much to so many. And so please join me in bidding farewell to Sanborn Hall. Sanborn.
Let it rip. Sanborn. Fire that thing up.
Where is the guy in the room?
Right back, Laura.
It's your server in there,
Fight back, Flora.
forgot my formals.
Right. Well, they pulled back on the rebar.
There ought to be more rebar in there, you know?
You think? Now I think it'd be every 6 inches. But hell, it went through earthquakes.
That's true.